Yes, coach, let's identify yourself.
Coach Cadlin, St. Jago School.
Coach what?
Cadlin.
Spell it first.
Codlin.
Yes, you know, your first game, you won. Tell us, you know, about the game.
I mean, I'm elated about the victory and also not concede. That also one of the main objectives set to the game. I must come in the coaching staff, Coach Douglas, Coach Edwards, and also Coach Alec and the entire management team. We did our best trying to get the boys ready for our first game.
You know, what was your game plan for them?
I mean, we wanted to maintain a low block to a mid block and try and nullify what Georges had to offer with us. So they're a very good player, number 10, Matty Spence. We also know he's very experienced, good statistics for last season. We wanted to cut him out of the game. But I mean, he's a very good player and he also managed to not allow Georges to score. So we are very happy for that.
What do you think, you know, you need to work on?
I mean, we have lots of stuff to work on. The condition aspect of the team definitely needs to improve. And also need to manage the game a little bit better. The last 5 minutes, 7 minutes was a little bit scrappy just now. But I mean, they're young boys. First game of the season, majority of the team is 15 to 16 years old. So there's a lot to work.
You get numerous chance to score, but you didn't score although you won. St. George's scoring himself.
I mean, that's a part of football. The coaching staff did a very good job. They noticed we tried to do a lot of things different now what we normally do as coaches. George is a very good team, tradition school, and also St. Jago, but we also definitely wanted to win this game today.
All right, coach.